on Josephine Mickles.
That ain't gonna happen.
On my granny grave, I'm gonna kill. Well, you would die too.
All three of us.
Well, you would die too.
I'm coming over here.
You not coming over here.
Handle it, cause I don't know.
Fuck him. Period. He done put everybody in a fucked up ass position, whether whoever realize it or not. Those women are so stuck with this shit that he's trying to tell them, trying to preach to them, that no true sense can come into the electromagnetic field and they be able to pick up on it. This shit is not right. It's not right. It won't ever be right. And I'm gonna keep saying it every fucking day. Every day. Malia is in the hospital right now with fluid around her heart, my nigga. Fluid around her heart. Her heart. Do you know what that means? Her heart, she's dying because of this environment. Dia died. Mama Dia died because of that environment. Children have died because of that environment. You can't tell me that this shit is right. And you can't tell me that you won't go back to this shit. You watch me go back. You watch me. Everybody watch me go back multiple times. And guess what the outcome is? I'm out of it still. That's the outcome. You're going to leave again. Because it ain't right. That's why. Don't keep putting yourself in a situation that's fucked up. Don't keep going back to that fucked up ass situation. You left with STDs. You went there with no STDs, left with STDs. What the fuck are you doing? You went there with no children. You left with children that the dad don't give a fuck about. Don't put yourself through that. You went there with love for yourself, understanding it for yourself, and then got that taken away by a nigga who's trying to recreate you into a character from his own mind. He's trying to recreate you to be somebody you're not. You're not that person who he says you are. Period. We're not. Mama Dia died because of that environment. Children have died because of that environment. You can't tell me that this